Ladies and gentlemen, please stand. And for the first time, I'd like to announce, together as one, my friends, Matt and Maggie Lavitola.
It is our day. It is our time. I'm so excited to turn the page on one chapter with you and move on to the rest of our lives together. In this next chapter and for the rest of our journey, I promise not only to be your partner, but your warrior.
From the moment we met, you have made a lasting impression in my life. I've been able to be unapologetically myself from day one. And that means everything to me. You make me feel so loved, and that's something that will be with me for the rest of my life.
I promise to be your front row and to always attend your front row. I promise not to just dance together, but to move together. I promise to be those parents who are disgustingly in love with each other. You hype me up to the heavens, and I promise to do the same for you for the rest of our lives.
I promise to be your teammate in all aspects of life, working together to overcome obstacles and celebrate victories, both big and small. I promise to express my love for you daily through both words and actions, and to never take our connection for granted. You are my partner in every sense, and I cannot wait to continue building a life filled with love, laughter, and endless memories.
By the power vested in me by the state of Tennessee, and as witnessed by friends and family, it is my greatest honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Matt, you may kiss your bride.
The most important test of all that he passed was showing Mary and I how much he loved and devoted Maggie. Welcome to the family, Matt, and welcome to future Memorial Day bashes. Mom and I are very proud of you, of all your accomplishments so far. And we are sure there are going to be a lot more. So please raise your glasses and join me in congratulating Maggie and Matt on their wedding today.
There's nothing better than you.
And then it explodes.
Your love is like hard medicine. There's nothing better than your remedy when you're next to me. You're hard medicine. There's nothing better than you. Your love is like hard medicine. There's nothing better than your remedy when you're next to me. You're hard medicine. There's nothing better than you.
You two have an amazing energy that we all have seen tonight, and I can't wait to see more as the years go on. And I am so excited to see what you two accomplish together. Matt and Maggie, may you never stop going to shows, Cherish all the moments and keep each other laughing as always. And may your marriage be filled with the same joy, warmth, and love that you've given all of us.
There's nothing better than you. Your love is like hard medicine. There's nothing better than
Watching you two together is such a joy. You match each other's energy and share so much laughter. Maggie is loved, cherished, and the happiest she has ever been.
Finding your partner, finding your person is great. Finding the person that makes you laugh, that you feel comfortable crying in front of, becomes your best friend. Finding your person that you allow your inner child to come out in front of is very special. I'm so happy the two of you have found that in each other.